Hello everyone on YouTube, welcome to another episode of the Lawns Music and Roller Coasters YouTube channel. Yes, that's me. Well, today I'm going to go see the Cyan Martin building and the Andrews building. Yes, the coffee maker over there is just like that. Speaking of that, we're going to use that in this video because I'm going to show you how to make what I call the Super Trooper. Alright, now I got this name. It's a food invention that I made. I invented it because of one of my favorite songs from ABBA. As you'll probably know, I have the record. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this down. Just make sure that's in. There we go. Just make sure that's going nowhere. Alright. Oh yeah. We're not going anywhere. Alright. You know what? Let me just double check that. You know what? I might actually put that in Making a few little adjustments here before we start. Alright, let me just set that down. And also bring it over here. Sorry about that, and then tighten that down. Now you can actually make this many different ways. Alright, so we're going to start off. We're going to take 3 of these. Alright, that's awesome. Go ahead and put this back in the cabinet here. I know you're not seeing me put stuff away in the cabinets, but we are actually getting ready to do what I call the Super Trooper. Alright, let me just make sure that's in. Let me set this. Okay, how did I do it before? Yeah, I have to meet Miss Jackson at 2:30 today, but I'm going to have to go a little earlier just because that's the way I'm doing it. Okay, I'm going to have to put this in a little long ways. Yeah, there we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, now let's get started. Like I said, first you want to go ahead and take your oatmeal packs, shake them up pretty good. Well, not too much, just make sure they're all on the bottom. In the bottom, open that. Just like that. Hopefully y'all can see this. Hopefully y'all are able to see this. Take the next one. And put it in. Like I said, you can do this many different ways. Alright, that's one Super Trooper part done. I'm going to put all these trash pieces over here. Yeah, like I said, shake those up pretty good. And then, pour this last one in. There we go. Alright, you can take all your trash, throw it away. Perfect. I know it's not too bright over here, but alright, here we go. Take this over to the, make sure everything is even. Put it under the cyan coffee maker. I'm going to bring that up a little bit so y'all can see it. There we go. Now I'm going to tighten this back, and there's the cyan coffee maker. Let me tighten my back part down. There we go. There we go. Hopefully y'all are able to see that. Alright, the cyan coffee maker. I don't think I've ever shown this to y'all, but it's cyan. Now when I turn it on, it has green and blue lights. You'll see when I close it. I don't know if y'all can see that. If I can zoom in. There's green and blue. Hopefully y'all are able to see that one. Yep, there it is right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and push that button. Push the button in. Right there. Make sure that's pressed. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. Hopefully I did it right. Yeah, there we go. So y'all just got to see a little bit of cyan light. And let the coffee maker do its job. I usually use this thing for coffee, but I figured today, since y'all have seen me use the egg maker and the blender, I figured I'd show y'all how to make a Super Trooper. And this is another thing you're going to need when you make your Super Trooper. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put my camera down where y'all are able to see it. Sorry about that. That stays tight right there. Now what we want to do is go ahead and bring this down right there. Make sure that's tightened. There we go. Sorry, I have to adjust my camera every now and then. Alright, so you're going to need this. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'll bring it in closer. You're going to need this, and you're going to take one packet out of these. You're going to need that. We're going to set it over here. So we don't want to prep near the coffee maker and stuff. Now what I'm going to do is set this back in here. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Oh, that should be nice and warm. Oh yeah, hopefully y'all can see this. This is going to be really awesome. And we're going to turn off the coffee maker once it's done. I know y'all are looking at this area right here. Alright, it's pretty much done right there. Turn that off. I know y'all didn't see that, but alright, let me grab. Oh, let me make sure we got stuff up here. Yep, there's some. Alright, there we go. For instead of just grabbing stuff out of the. Alright, what I'm going to do is just mix this a little bit. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your packet of Pop-Tarts. Hopefully y'all can see this. Take your packet of Pop-Tarts and you're gonna open them. This is gonna be awesome. Now the way I do it is if I want just a crunch on there, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just take your Pop-Tarts. Oh, sorry about that. That was just alright. What you're gonna do is take your Pop-Tarts. You're gonna break them up. You're gonna set them in. Just keep breaking them up into little pieces right there. Now you can add as many pieces as you want. I'm going to go ahead and do this whole one right here. I'm also going to open another half, maybe half of another one. Yeah, just break those up. That's what you want to do with this. And that's awesome. Alright, and I'm going to break this into pieces right here. Break that into little pieces. That one's a little bit too big of a piece, but it'll work. Just break that off. Into little pieces right there. And that is how you make a Super Trooper. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just eat this a little bit. Those Pop-Tart packet away. Man, that's just awesome. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the camera bag, or the camera mount. Alright, I'm not going to taste test this on video for y'all, but there it is right there. That is how you make a Super Trooper. That is how you make Super Trooper. The greatest sweet food you could ever make in the morning or whenever you want, depending on when you have a craving. Just like when I made the eggs with the blender and the sorry about that, the blender and the egg maker, the cyan egg maker. We used the cyan coffee maker. That is just awesome. All right, thanks for watching, and more to come later.